What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hey everyone, it's Adam Helfman from HireItDone.com. I'm here on location at a homeowner's house who this winter had ice damming problems from their roof. They called the original contractor, Kanga Roof, who happens to be a HireItDone contractor, to solve the issue. Well, they came out, put their solution-minded hat on, and solved it for them. Let's talk to Bill Burkhart, the owner of Kanga Roof, and find out how he did that. I'm here with Bill Burkhart. He's the owner of Kanga Roof. Bill, tell me about this roof. It had ice damming from the wintertime. They called you out. What did you see and what did you do?
Well, basically we came out, took a look at it, figured out that with the ice damming, the water's backing up underneath the shingles and coming in the house. And because of the design of the house, there's really nothing you can do to prevent long-term ice damming problems. So the only way to fix this properly is to basically, instead of a normal shingle roof which will shed the water, we had to make this a waterproof system, so no matter what happens, it's not going to leak inside the house.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. You did the original roof 5 years ago.
Yes.
Is this under warranty?
Yeah, we have a master craftsman guarantee, transferable to the new homeowners, and if they're not happy, we take care of it.
So there was no cost to the homeowner here?
No cost to the homeowner. They're not happy, we take care of it, we make it right.
So at HireItDone, we always tell our homeowners that the contractor is more important than the product. And the reason why I say that is because just like here with Kanga Roof, a great contractor is going to be solution-minded. In this situation where they had ice damming, 5 years later they called Kanga, he came back. Not only did he look at the problem, he solved it at no cost to the homeowner. That, my friends, is how you find a great contractor. Now let's head over to Harsens Island, where we're going to meet Bill Jr. He's working on a brand new roof. We're out here on Harsens Island on another project with Kanga Roof. Bill, let me ask you this. They're putting on a brand new roof here, but this is a special shingle. Tell me a little bit about that.
Absolutely, Adam. So this is the Northgate SBS shingle that's going up on this pole barn that you actually see behind us here.
So there's a lot of extreme weather on the island, a lot of high winds from being off the lake. Is that a special shingle that is windproof? Tell me how it works.
Well, the shingle is a special shingle because it's got the SBS compound in it, but it's really the system that's going in there that's special. It's our extreme storm system, which incorporates not just the shingle itself, it's how it's installed with a special installation process, along with all the components that go into it.
What kind of warranty can the homeowner expect from this?
Well, that's the cool part. This comes with a 5-star warranty right from Certainty, but even better, it comes with our 20-year bumper-to-bumper guarantee on it.
With the installation of the extreme weather system, what sets that apart from the regular other roofing systems that you sell?
Well, it always starts with that shingle because it is the SBS Northgate shingle. But beyond that, it starts with the underlayment. It's a full ice and water shield under the entire roof itself, which is a waterproofing system. You have the wide face 2-inch drip edge, which is going to protect your fascia and your gutters. And you also then have the lifetime pipe boots that are going up there, which are going to last 50 years, unlike your standard pipe boot that wears out after 20 or 25 years.
Does the crew or the company, when you offer this system, is there training involved?
Oh, absolutely. So whenever we install, and that's part of the system, when these shingles are going on, they're not just going with the normal 4-nail installation pattern and a starter shingle. This one, you actually have starter shingles going along all the eaves or the edges, up the rakes, and every single shingle is getting a 6-nail installation pattern.
So we've just learned about shingles and all the levels of roofing for your house. But one thing I always say, and this validates it, folks, is the best shingle is the one that's installed properly. That's why the contractor that you choose is more important than the shingle. Bill, I want to thank you guys for showing us this project, because if a homeowner is looking for a roof that doesn't leak, this is the way to go.
You got it. Hey, Adam, it was our pleasure. Thank you very much, sir.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.